You just found the 2022 Hyundai Sonata. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 10,000 miles on the odometer. Whether you're commuting or cruising country roads, this smooth and spacious Sonata makes travel a treat. Its comfortable cabin with standard touchscreen infotainment and driver assistance, along with stylish good looks, make this midsize four-door your go-to family sedan. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, heated and/or cooled front seats, head-up display, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, pre-collision system, navigation system, moonroof, keyless entry, heated driver's seat, power passenger seat. Give your family the comfort they deserve when you travel in this refined, well-equipped Sonata. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.